Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 14th, 2025, we're tackling the ever-dynamic Tesla stock. Let's first assess the current market landscape and recent news affecting Tesla. Recent news reports indicate increased investor confidence in Tesla due to positive analyst reports and strong sales figures in key markets. A major catalyst for this surge in optimism is the successful launch of Tesla's latest vehicle model. Now, let's dive into the charts, starting with the daily timeframe. Here we can clearly see the recent price surge and the strong upward trend of the last 2 weeks. Notice how the price easily surpassed previous resistance levels. The one-day chart showcases solid support at around 180, a level that has been tested repeatedly and has proven itself to hold on multiple occasions. The volume profile confirms this as a significant area of interest for both buyers and sellers. Zooming into the 1-hour chart, we observe short-term volatility, but the broader upward trend remains consistent. We can also see a series of higher highs and higher lows. Notice the significant volume increase around the breakout. This adds to the bullish confirmation and highlights growing investor conviction in this current upswing. For short-term traders, the 15-minute chart provides valuable insights. Look at the formation of the multiple green candles indicating an ongoing positive momentum. However, caution remains necessary as some red candles appear on the 15-minute chart, indicating periods of profit-taking which must be considered when trading. Be sure to observe volume patterns closely. Let's focus on a specific period between October 24th, 2024 and November 8th, 2024, highlighted on the daily chart. This range exhibits a remarkable price surge, correlating with positive news surrounding Tesla's earnings announcement. The price action during that period suggests a period of sustained bullish momentum, easily overcoming initial resistance levels. The high volume during this period indicates market confidence. In summary, while Tesla has shown considerable strength, short-term volatility might cause some short-term dips. Key support levels at around 180 on the daily chart and around 330 on the 15-minute chart are pivotal. A sustained break below 180 could signal a potential medium-term bearish reversal. On the other hand, a continued push beyond 400 on the daily chart could significantly accelerate further bullish momentum. There's a 60% probability of Tesla consolidating around the 350 to 400 range in the short term. If positive news and announcements keep coming out, then there's a high chance of an upside breakout. Keep an eye on volume changes, which can act as strong confirmation of a new trend. A large spike in volume while breaking resistance is a very positive sign for traders. Remember to always manage your risk and don't forget that past performance is not indicative of future results. Thank you for watching. Explain the Charts.